Who's gonna be the train guy? Micah is! Micah's the train guy. There he is. He's the train guy. Choo choo. Where are you going with that train?
A train?
Are you the train guy?
Yeah. Okay. Like one. My bike.
My bike is over here. Micah. Micah, my bike's over here. You're looking for the bike? Right there? That's my bike? Okay. You want to race?
Yeah.
Okay, let's race. I'm coming to you. The train guy versus the motorcycle. Okay, they're ready. Hold on. There's me and Micah versus each other on our bikes. You ready to race? Okay, here we go. Go! Get out of my way! Yeah, the train. Yeah. I won! I won! You want to race again?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn around. Turn around. Okay, you race this side, I'll race to the other side, okay?
Yeah.
I got the motorcycle, he's got the train. What is faster? Ready? Ready? Let's go! Oh, I gotta race right here? Okay, wait. Just wait.
I go?
Not yet. Okay, just wait. You ready to race?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ready? Go! And hey! And going! We won! Micah won! We need a bigger space to race, buddy. Huh? Motorcycle versus the bike, the train. We gotta race in a bigger area.